Hey guys, Chickie456 here, back with another video, and this one will be holiday themed. And happy holidays, Merry Christmas, or should I say Chickmas? I know, another play on words. Anyways, I was walking through Michael's and I came across this ornament, and it was only $1, and it kind of gave me an idea, you know, of doing a video where I can show you how to customize like an ornament to your very own. And I don't know, I saw this, and for some reason I got the idea to make it a Pokemon themed ornament. Namely, a Pikachu themed ornament. You could give it as a gift, you could customize it to any Pokemon, I would say, if you wanted to, if you had the paints and stuff, but you know, the main mascot, the Pokemon, is Pikachu, so everyone knows that. And yeah, I just thought this would be a cute video idea. So anyways, let's get into the supplies we are going to be needing to painting this. So the colors and supplies I will be needing are actually pretty simple. Simple plastic ornament, white paint, black paint, paint sealer, bright yellow paint, red paint, and even some brown paint, because he has 2 brown stripes on the back. I will also be needing construction paper and glue, because I will have to be making little cutouts of the ears. But moving on now, guys, let's get into creating this holiday ornament. This is going to take a lot of coats. Okay guys, are you ready to see the final results? Ta-da! Here it is, the Pikachu ornament, with the tail and everything. I wasn't even going to include the tail, but when I cut out the foam ears, I'm like, yeah, I could do a tail. I really love how this came out. It came out really cute. I probably should have used spray paint just to spray over this instead of using yellow paint, because this required a lot of coats. But I didn't want to buy a whole can of yellow spray paint just to, you know, spray one ornament. So yeah, you could literally do this with anything, really, I would say. Like any Pokemon you have in mind. I just went with Pikachu because, you know, he's the main mascot. Overall, I love how this turned out. It just really came out adorable. I thought it was going to come out looking bad, honestly. But it came out looking cute. And now he's going to be sitting up on the tree. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more crafting videos like this, along with customs and art. I'm going to be doing speed paints now as well. Happy Holidays, Merry Christmas, and a Happy New Year's, and all that fun stuff. So yeah, everyone, thanks again for watching, and have a good day.